learn your lesson.
The bottle that's off of my own, yeah. She telling me I got old, yeah. I'm telling you that you old, yeah. I don't need no one around. I don't need no one around. I got it on my own. Baby, I would, but you've been getting too old. I don't need no one around. I get it on my own. Like when the cup too strong, and when the pills come out, you running home. Tell me when my feelings run out, where will you go? I'm sorry to tell you, but baby, the end of the show is here. The credits are running out here, yeah. Don't you believe what you hear? I do not feel what you feel. I do not care what you feel. Cause when the cup too strong, and when the feeling run low, know that I'm sending you home. She know that I'm sending her home. I know we could get it how we want it, baby. I just need to know that you trusted me. Girl, you got me buzzing like a bumblebee. Don't need no one else, love your energy. Flying through the sky like spiral, blowing on a bag with my eyes closed. I'ma risk it all just to see you. She told me, boy, you a damn fool. Yeah, I'm flying through the sky like spiral, blowing on a bag with my eyes closed. I'ma risk it all just to see you. She told me, boy, you a damn fool. I can't lie, I'm so high. Wanna speak to you, wanna know with you in my eyes. You're the prize. As I kiss you goodnight, I see stars in your eyes. I can't lie, I'm so high. Wanna speak to you, wanna melt with you in my eyes. You're the prize. As I kiss you goodnight, I see stars in your eyes. Yeah, I do. Flying through the sky like spiral, blowing on a bag with my eyes closed. I'ma risk it all just to see you. She told me, boy, you a damn fool. Flying through the sky like spiral, blowing on a bag with my eyes closed. I'ma risk it all just to see you. She told me, boy, you a damn fool. I can't lie, I'm so high. Wanna speak to you, wanna melt with you in my eyes. You're the prize. As I kiss you goodnight, I see stars in your eyes. I can't lie.
Take me away from this path that I follow. It's left me hopeless and empty and hollow. Will I stay asleep forever? Nothing's the same as I remember. I still bite my nails like I learned when I was 7. And I still remember that car that you left in. So I close my eyes and hope that tomorrow brings brighter lights and respite from my sorrow. The sky is all I fade away. Why do I feel so far from myself and the way that I used to be? Forever all alone, no one seems to see the colors in the rain. I guess nobody's feel this way. The sky is all I fade away. Why do I feel so far from myself and the way that I used to be? Forever all alone, no one seems to see the colors in the rain. I guess guess nobody's feel this way. Are sleepy just like when you kiss me. Just let me be alone, I don't care if you miss me. Numb and cold and scared to be away from those I love. I'm heartless anyway. Scared of the day I wake up and I'm 18. The walls in my room are collapsing, please save me. Dream, I dream and hope for that one day you come to life and feel like you're something. The sky is all I fade away. Why do I feel so far from myself and the way that I used to be? Forever all alone, no one seems to see the colors in the rain. I guess nobody's feel this way.
You know the rain in thunder makes it cold out. You know whatever happens, my hand will be out. I can't keep this fucking blade up off my wrist. I can't kick these fucking demons from my head. They telling me it's time to go insane, and I'm listening. Fuck restraint because this world's a bitch, but you're glistening. And you know I love the way you sit on the side of my bed. Let it bleed out through every fucking slit.
I'm known to run away, but this time I'll run with you. I'm known to never stay, but I'll fucking stay with you. I'm known for digging graves, but that's all done and through. I just wanna watch the smoke clear away with you. I got all of your songs straight playing in my head. I got a lot of fear for the day that we'll be dead, but I just suppress that. No need for nonsense, cause for the first time I know where I can fall back. Something about life makes me feel so unsure. Why am I so scared? I will never fucking know. But I had a choice and I picked the right door, and that's something I've never done before. You were the right door.
I just want it all here. I just wanna pop it, then I fall. Got a lot of oxy in the zen. I've been cooking up in a damn cool. Oh, I'm gonna do it if she asks for. If she don't, I'm Cosby, then I'm back. Yeah, you can do it. You can do it. Make a move. You can do it. Got a bad one, lotto. I just wanna hit it with the light on. Yeah, baby, let me get you right. Got some oxys and I got some hydro. You can do it, make a movie. I don't really care, I've been on it all. Got a bad one and I got a bully. Yeah, you can do it. You can do it. Make a move. You can do it.
Come
cause I'm the shit. You don't know, Ali, you could eat a fucking dick. I've been out here getting rich. All this money falling while I'm breaking down the switch, yeah. I've been balling up the shit. Know it's money calling on an iPhone 6. I ain't never gon' quit. If I go broke, I'll probably slit my wrist, yeah. Sipping on syrup and soda, you know it, I'm pouring it loud. She be rolling my doja, you know it, my head on a cloud. Pointing the scope at her, but I'm sitting there straight to the ground. Throwing a stack in the air, she be watching it all falling down. Sipping on lit with the crown, smoking it loud. I'm coming straight for the crown. Girl, what you wanna do now? I put my ice in and we hit the town. Pouring up syrup like I'm finna drown. Sipping on Sprite and I'm smoking a pound. I'm smoking a pound. Yeah. Bitch, you know I got the juice. In the studio, getting neck in the booth. In the new Adidas shoes. Two-seater Beamer, I don't need no fucking roof. No, I wanna chain with the truth. Staying with the lean shit, it got me feeling loose. Yeah. Syrup in a Grey Goose. Diamonds round my neck, yeah, diamonds on my neck.
shots are loudest. Sounds ago, well, that's how hard they found it. I guess maybe I can live without it. I would tell you how I feel, but you know life it goes too fast and too slow. Lot of things that I'd like to know. It's getting late, I should go now. That's all I wanted to say. I'll be your heat when it's cold down. Cause God knows that the cold goes my way. I'll lift you up when you go down. Cause God knows that I've been felt that way. Shots are loudest. Sounds ago, well, that's how hard they found it. I guess maybe I can live without it. I would tell you how I feel, but you know life it goes too fast and too slow.
Mama always told me, bring me home a nice girl. But Instagram only shows me these gym is life girls. The ones that could be deep, but you be thinking that they hollow when you liking all their pictures, but don't ever even follow. And even after all that, built a dream in your head, and you end up with a whole different type of girl instead. And not to your surprise, she's been fucking with your head, and you don't even be banging, and she got you seeing red. And now you singing, why am I always tripping? Always fall for the wrong bitches. I don't even get it. Why does this happen to me? And now she's screaming, why you always tripping? Always fall for the wrong niggas. I think that you're forgetting what you did to me. And now she got an attitude that somehow you put up with. And she'll always tell you how you once told her you loved it. Swearing to your niggas that you know that you can trust her till you hear about that nigga she been fucking. And now you bugging. No regrets in life. I don't want no regrets in life. I don't wanna know. I don't wanna know. I don't wanna no regrets in life. I don't want no regrets in life. I don't wanna know. I don't wanna know. Shawty right here, she from the 102. And she real open-minded, but she hard to get through. Always looking up a makeup tutorial and trying to follow, not knowing she look way better without it. But she still cool, she a hell of a chick. And she barely smoke, but she love to drink. When she does them both, it's a hell of a mix. So if you're holding her down, she probably show you some tricks. Yeah, her waist nice, got a hell of a grip. And she tight, skinny, but she swear that she thick. And she mad right now, cause she hearing this shit. But she knows it's true, how I'm serving this shit. And then you start to think y'all getting closer to each other. Then she's over you by the time that you think you start to love her. And to the women that thought that this song's about them, it's probably not, but next time, maybe so. So don't be bugging. No regrets in life. I don't want no regrets in life. Now I don't wanna know. I don't wanna know. I don't wanna no regrets in life. I don't want no regrets in life. I don't wanna know. I don't wanna know. I really fuck with this one shawty, but I couldn't be with her. Cause she move like a woman, but she think like a nigga. She be out here in the streets, straight up slaying them. And she'll be playing you way before you'll be playing her. You'll be thinking that you got the game on her, that you got the scoop. That's exactly how she do before she do you, how she do. To chew you up, fuck you up and tell you that she through. And she does this all because of the shit that she been through. Yeah, she heartbroken, I get it. She heartbroken, I get it. She told me all the stories, how could I ever forget it? And for that I understand her, can't help but agree. Who am I to judge if she reminds me of me? Two different genders, same kind of views. And now we so confused about what we should do. Cause we thought being the same was a good thing. But now we running circles around just what we should be. Trying to see the good side by saying just what we could be. But right now the only thing that seems good is the pussy. And I know I would win if I would place my bets. Then we fall out and nothing less. So we did what's best cause we don't want no regrets. Why am I always tripping? Always fall for the wrong bitches. I don't even get it. Why does this happen to me? And now she's screaming, why you always tripping? Always fall for the wrong niggas. I think that you're forgetting what you did to me.
Know that I've been on my own, yeah. Let you know that I've been on my own, yeah. I just been on my own, yeah. I just took a couple see where you are. I just wanna fuck you in my car. You don't gotta know what you are. You just gotta party with your boy. My crew gon' dick you down and that's for sure. The last time never gonna get old. Don't you say to me that this is all I'll be. I just popped another bean. I'm feeling the Charlie Sheen in some fucked up fever dream. I told my mama pray for me. I don't see no stopping 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 me.
I scream my face on the pavement, so it's yours for the taking. Keep my yard in your basement. No, I don't wanna see your face again. See your face again. I scream my face on the pavement, so it's yours for the taking. Keep my yard in your basement. No, I don't wanna see your face again. See your face again.
You're at the basketball court in the rain when you didn't even know I was coming. Both of us in school uniforms, and the wind stays blowing through your hair. But when I got there you just stirred, because we were not prepared. Feel like I'm running out of air. Probably didn't even
Now
think
you
I
lie sick
cared.
in your bed. You don't know what's in my head. They say go to your classes, but I skip them instead. I'm growing old. Do what you're told.
So I'm waiting, sitting, contemplating the issue with you. Do you get what I'm saying? I want you, want my voice to haunt you. Come back to me, please.
I scream my face on the pavement, so it's yours for the taking. Keep my yard in your basement. No, I don't wanna see your face again. See your face again. I scream my face on the pavement, so it's yours for the taking. Keep my yard in your basement. No, I don't wanna see your face again. See your face again.
You rip my wings out of my back, watch my soul turn into ash. Lay me down to sleep, fade to black just like the past. An angel that can't even fly, an angel that you love to die. So let me lay here choking, waiting for the reaper. take me, save me. Stop my eyes from waking, the poison within you. Should I not continue just waiting and watching my blood cover the pavement?
Why? Why won't you say something?
I don't want to.
Why not?
If I tell you how I honestly feel, I think that I will vanish. Thank you for all that you've done for me.
Yeah, baby, you were meant for me. I swear ain't no one else down for me like you. You the one I want, I'ma give my life to you. Baby, you were meant for me. I swear ain't no one else down for me like you. You the one I want, I'ma give my life to you.
Yeah. Baby, getting bent for me. Counting all the days they spent with me. Stay true. You the one I want, I'ma live my life for you. And she always next to me. In the back of the club, come flex with me. Have sex with me, send text to me. Get dressed with me, be a mess with me.
Yeah.